30th, last day of June. Tomorrow, July 1st, I'm leaving to Shanghai at 7 p.m. And from Shanghai, I booked a ticket back to Bangkok. It costed me 112 euro. I'm in Changsha. I left Liuyang. It's so sunny today. So yeah, I took a ride and they booked me from a group for 60 yuan. And I just for 60 yuan, you know, I went to Liuyang metro blue line, like second line, and then just for 5 yuan I'm in Huangxing. So now I just need to walk. 5 yuan. I'm gonna test out their ice cream. Milky looks super high quality. And that's kind of cool. Mushrooms. Yeah. Seems like mushrooms is a big thing here. A lot of medicine, like mushroom medicine. Look at it, crazy. Like a whole pharmacy. It's, you know, like traditional healing. The smell is kind of weird. Oh man, tastes nasty. Hey, July 1st, new month, new adventure. Today Shanghai. My flight leaves 8:35. It's 1 p.m. now, so I have a lot of time. Yeah. Somehow was able to get online check-in, just seat reservations. I tried all the ways, so probably it's a thing that you need to do the check-in at the counter or in the check-in booth. So besides that, I'm lucky there's like a direct 6th line to the airport. It takes like 40 minutes, so very convenient. Yo, so I'm at the shop, got some kind of cool ice cream. It's looks really fancy with a cow and stuff. Got another, I haven't tried this brand, looks very neat and cool. The bottle looks very nice, like €3 tea, you know, and they cost only like 60 cents. Anyways, I'm like line 6. There's like down the road line 6, so I'm gonna go line 6 and then go to the airport. I have still a lot of time, so very chill today. So it cost me like €1 to get here. It was like an hour drive in total. So 8 yuan. Very nice. Very fast.
登机牌1到30号登机口，请前往 A 区。
So this looks nice. I'm kind of full of time, so I just went a couple stations back. That's where I got my boarding pass. I'm just looking for a place to eat. There were places in the airport, but yeah, maybe here is better. It looks like a lot of cool shops, but I don't see any food. Also, the place looks kind of, you know, empty. There was like a big shopping mall here, but it's closed. Yeah, should be some food there. Rasa tea, the bunny tea. I wonder why it's so, you know, empty. Well, it's Monday, but it's like very well built. I don't know, just a random dude. Looks like he's doing kung fu and stuff. Going back to the airport. It's like 5 or something, or 6. Yeah, kind of interesting area. Like, look, so many people, but nobody's here. Like, so empty. Like, kind of strange. Anyways, yeah, Shanghai, by the way, is kind of famous for kung fu. So I saw you can do like a tour, like teaching, learn about kung fu. I don't know, do they like teach you kung fu or just, you know, tell you the history? So far I'm a little bit imagining Shanghai like as Hong Kong. I think so. It's gonna be like similar, but it is populated. I think there's like 30 million people living there in Shanghai. Shanghai district also 30. So yeah, that's a lot of people. It has the biggest port in the world. So yeah, it's gonna be probably busy. We'll see. Yes, I'm in Shanghai. And very nice flight, good pilot, good everything. Yeah, the taxi's on B2. I'm gonna get a Didi because I looked at the metro. I need to change like four lines, so not worth it. And the hotel is like 30 kilometers. So very good. I saw like Shanghai is super big. Like all the time we flew, like most of the time there were like a lot of cities, you know, a lot of lights. Everything's well maintained, like well built. So awesome. I saw, you know, the tower from the plane, like the famous tower, the center of business. Hey, so I booked some kind of star hotel. I looked on trip.com and it was like not bad reviews. So yeah, it looks very big hotel. A lot of rooms, but just 2 floors. It's a nice girl here, so maybe it's not bad. You'll have Hitachi aircon. Hitachi. Whoa, have a nice window. Very nice. I saw the rooms without the windows that are like cheaper. Oh, but it doesn't open. What the hell? Come on, man. What's the point of a window if it doesn't open? Okay, let's have some light. Well, it's 18 euro through ctrip.com, so I saved a little bit of money.